Is your Siemens EQ6 Plus S300 showing a clean and descale alert? Don't worry, this is a standard maintenance prompt, not an error. Let's walk through the full Calc'n'Clean process step by step. By the end of this video, your machine will be clean, descaled, and ready for perfect coffee. Step 1. Start the cleaning program. Turn on the machine and press the menu button. Go to Cleaning and Maintenance, then select Calc'n'Clean. Confirm and press Start. Step 2. Empty drip tray and add tablet. Remove the drip tray, empty it, and slide it back in. Open the ground coffee drawer on the right side. Drop in one Siemens cleaning tablet, then close the drawer. Press Start again. Step 3. Prepare the descaling solution. Take out the water tank and remove the filter if it's installed. Add 0.5 liters of lukewarm water and dissolve one Siemens descaling tablet. Reinsert the tank without the filter and press Start. Step 4. Begin the descaling cycle. Place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet. Insert the milk suction pipe into the container as well. Press Start again to begin the cleaning cycle. Step 5. Rinse and finish. Once the cycle finishes, remove and rinse the water tank thoroughly. Reinsert the water filter if you removed it earlier. Fill the tank with clean water up to the max line and press Start for the final rinse. When prompted, empty the drip tray one last time. You're done. Your Siemens EQ6 Plus is now clean, descaled, and ready to brew. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance how-tos. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.